I'm Skylar. If you want to install Skype on an iPhone, it's easy whether it's unlocked or locked to a carrier. It's as simple as going to the App Store and searching for Skype, downloading it, and signing in with your account or creating a new one. So let's go over it together. Press your home button and slide to unlock. Tap on App Store and then tap Search. Up at the top, type in SKYPE, and then in the lower right, tap Search. There it is, first hit. Tap Install, and Skype will begin to download. Once it's downloaded, all you have to do, as I said before, is just sign in, and you're ready to use it. It works over 3G and Wi-Fi, and you can do video chat, voice communications, and also regular Skype chat. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.